Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed staring at rows and columns in Google Sheets, wishing there was a simple way to organize your data neatly, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to convert your data into a table in Google Sheets step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any messy list of information into a clean, professional-looking table. No stress, no confusion. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to select all the data you want to include in your table. This might seem obvious, but it's an important foundational step because Google Sheets needs to know exactly what chunk of information you want to work with. You can select your data by clicking and dragging with your mouse from the top left cell to the bottom right of your data range. If you're working with a really large set of data, try using the Shift key on your keyboard. Click the starting cell, hold Shift, and then click the last cell. This way, everything in between gets included. Take your time here, it's easy to accidentally leave out a row or column, so just double check that everything you want is highlighted before moving on. Once you've got your data selected, the next step is to right-click anywhere within your selected area. Just a quick tip, you want to make sure you're right-clicking inside the actual highlighted cells. This brings up a handy drop-down menu with a bunch of options specifically tailored to what you can do with your selected data. Don't worry if you see a lot of choices here, we're looking for one in particular. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Convert to Table. Go ahead and click on that. If you're using a newer version of Google Sheets, this feature might appear under different names like Format as Table or Create Table. If you're not seeing it immediately, don't panic. Sometimes Google updates its menus, so just scan for anything table-related. This action tells Google Sheets to take all your selected data and organize it into an official table structure. What does that actually mean for you? Well, your data will instantly look cleaner and easier to read. You'll get features like alternate row colors, which help your eyes track information, especially in longer lists, and depending on your settings, you might also get helpful filters and sorting options built right in. And that's really it. With just those few clicks, you've transformed a boring old patch of data into a useful, good-looking table. It's one of those small steps that makes a big difference not just in appearance, but in how easily you and your team can work with your data moving forward. Now, if your table didn't format quite how you wanted on the first try, don't worry. You can always undo with Ctrl+Z and try again, or explore the formatting options to get things just right. So that's all there is to it. Now you know how to convert your data into a table in Google Sheets, a quick trick that can save you loads of time and make your spreadsheets look sharp and organized. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more spreadsheet tips. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.